In clean process industries, performance isn't optional. It's critical. At IMI, we engineer solutions that eliminate complexity and strengthen control from the inside out. Traditional floating ball, diaphragm, or butterfly valves create dead zones. Stagnant pockets where product lingers, temperature fluctuates, and contamination risk spikes, causing turbulence losses and hygiene risks. These hidden inefficiencies slow down sterilization in place cycles, extend cleaning times, and put batch integrity at risk. Our self-flushing ball valve attacks that problem at the source. Its internal geometry allows for natural turbulence, generating a powerful self-cleaning hydraulic effect that delivers superior cleanability, full drainability, long-term reliability, and maximum flow velocity. So, no weld irregularities, no obstructions, no dead zones, just continuous, controlled performance by design. For pharmaceutical and biotech operations, this means tighter thermal stability during sterilization in place, zero cold spot formation, and repeatable sterilization outcomes that meet stringent regulatory demands. Batch after batch, driving cleaner processes, higher yields, total production confidence. It's why this valve has become the industry's preferred choice. Discover what our self-flushing technology can do for you.